Perfect. All right. So before I'm going to starting of this session, I just want to give a small introduction about myself as well. So my name is Ram Boypati. Sorry. Yeah. So my name is Ram Boypati. I have around 13 years of IT experience. In this 13 years of experience, I've been working for the SQL Server, MSBI stack, and working as a data analyst and as a data engineer. And from last 7 years, I've been giving this IT trainings and doing placements for the many students across the globe. I started this e-classes training institution in 2017, and we are providing this training and placement in online and offline mode. So I'm the trainer for this above courses, and I'm the managing director of this e-classes training institution. So what I have observed from the last 7 to 8 years of training experience, when I have seen many of the students in my experience, the people who are all coming to learn the course to my training institution, the courses might be anything. Let's coming to data analyst. So primarily, when a student is coming to our institution, they are more likely to work on the data side. So when you are going to work on the data side, primarily as per my experience, on the data side, we have three different kind of jobs available. What are the jobs available on the data side? On the data side, I can say one is about the data engineering job, and the second one is about the data analyst job, and third one is about the data scientist job. They are in a little bit confusion which course they have to learn and what is the technology they have to apply to learn these three courses. Okay, before jumping to which technology, which course, whether you need to learn a data engineering course or a data analyst course or a data scientist course, the people who are coming to our institution to learn these courses, mostly they have a background of the graduation completion, graduation, any stream. It might be a BSc or it might be a BTech or anything. When they are going to passed out a graduation or a post graduation, they passed out year from 2010 to 2024. In between there might be experienced freshers, whatever it is. So what will happen when this kind of education background with this much career gap? If you see here, the people who are having their graduation completion in 2010, but now they want to learn this course, any of one course. If they have passed out 2010 or 2015, definitely they have some career gap, correct? So career gap means they are going to be like a they are going to be like a working on a business. Why they have a career gap? Some people working their own businesses, they are running since from last few years. Some people are working prepare, preparing for the government exams after the completion of their graduation or a post graduation. They are going to preparing for the government exams over here, preparing for the government exams over here. And after they complete, after they are preparing few years for the government exams, they may not get the job and they want to come to IT job. And also some people working on non IT. What do you mean by non IT? It might be a customer care, Google Maps, accounts, finance, whatever it is, and some faculty and teacher. These are the different kind of non-IT jobs they are working. Now they want to move to IT side, and some people are working already on IT only, but the technologies what they are working, those technologies does not have any demand in the market currently. So now they want to move to IT job only with a jobs related to data side, because they want to secure their job, and also they want some highest package. That is the reason they are trying to learn a good technology most demanding in the market. So with this kind of backgrounds, definitely when they're going to apply for job, so they are going to put some kind of experience. For example, some people are having career gap, they are going to put at least 2 to 4 years of experience. Correct? Some people are going to having a government exams and they have a career gap, they are going to keep 2 to 4 years. Some people working in a non-IT, but they want to apply for this job. After learning these courses any of one, they are going to apply like a 2 to 4 years experience. The person who is working already in a IT, when they are going to apply for a job, is going to apply with a 2 to 4 years of experience. When you are working like a 2 to 4 years of experience, definitely the technology what you are going to learn also should be in that level only, the knowledge should be in that level only. So when you are applying for a job, 2 to 4 years of experience, are you in a position to crack the interview? Are you in a position to work in the real time without taking anyone help? So out of 100, only 20 percentage of the people only able to crack the interview and able to work in the real time projects. Then what about the remaining 80 percentage of the people? Remaining 80 percentage of the people were not able to crack the interview, were not able to work in the real time projects. What might be the reason? So the reason because these people are joining to any institution, and they are going to just attending only program 1. So what is a program 1 and what is a program 2 over here? The program 1 is all about a regular training offered by every training institution over here. The program 1 is every institution is going to offer this. So let's, for example, in this courses, whatever the data engineer course or a data analyst course or a data scientist course, every institution will offer a training. It might be a 2 months course. Okay, daily 1 hour session. They will provide you live sessions, and after the class, recording videos as well. Live sessions, and once the class completed, recorded videos every day 1 hour. Every day 1 hour. It's going to be Monday to Fridays. Of course, we are going to offer the same thing. We are conducting 2 months of the live sessions, every day recording videos, every day 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. Do you think with this 2 months of the training, whatever the regular classes, it's a one man show. One man show means a trainer will teach you and you are going to learn. It's a 1 hour the trainer will teach, but how long you are going to interact with the trainer? It's very less time. It's very less time in the regular training. So with the regular trainings, I don't think after completion of this course, you are in a position to crack the interview. I don't think you are in a position to crack the, you are in a position to work on the real time projects. So that is the reason, along with this program 1, e-classes is offering parallelly program 2. So what is this program 1? The program 1 is a regular training. The program 1 is a regular training. It's offered by every institution. But then what is e-classes is providing? It's offering program 2. This is called real time program. So what is the specialty of this? My voice is clear for everyone. Can you please confirm me, everyone? Is my voice is clear for everyone? Any disturbance in my voice? Okay, it's clear for everyone. Samir, can you please check your system, your network, or else you can rejoin, log out and rejoin this meeting. Okay, thank you. And in this program 2, we are conducting a real-time program. So what we are doing in a real-time program? In the real-time program, generally when you are joining to a company, how you are feeling in the company, same process we are running in the real-time program. So in every company, when they're going to provide a work, they're following a agile method. What do you mean by agile method? The entire project will be divided into sprint. We are going to conduct 10 sprints over here. In each sprint, we are going to have 15 tasks we are going to conduct. These are the tasks like every week we are going to provide you. You need to update the status of this task from Monday to Friday. You need to work on this task. And on the Saturday, what we are doing, we are going to connect with every student and you need to share your screen and then we have to perform all the tasks in front of me. And Sunday, we are going to focus on the interview preparation. With this Saturday, Sunday, parallelly, we are completing these 10 sprints. Then you will get a confidence on the task wise, the scenarios based interview preparation. Then finally, you are in a position to attend the mock interviews. And we are going to help you resume preparation. And we are going to help you to build end to end project over here. End to end project over here. So this is a separate program we are conducting apart from the program 1 and program 2. Right? So whoever is completing this program 1 and program 2, 90% of the students they are cracking their interviews themselves. 90% of the students working in their real world projects over here. I don't say 100% I will give you a job because I don't have any companies, but I can say 100% I will make you ready for the job without any lack of confidence. All kind of services we are going to provide end to end to the students to make ready to attend the interviews. You no need to pay for any proxy interviews. You no need to pay anything for the work supports if you are completing this program 1 and program 2. So the price we are offering for this program 1 is it's 18,000. The price for this program 2 we are offering is 15,000. But with the this batch, we are going to conduct the pricing for this one with this combination of this 18,000 plus 15,000, 33,000. But we are offering it as a 25,000 only. Alright, if you are enrolling for program 1 and program 2 for any course. Okay, some of the students they were interested the complete data analyst course. Some of the students they want to learn only Power BI course. Yes, we are offering that one as well. The complete data analyst course is 18,000 only training. If you need only Power BI training, then the cost is 13,000. So whichever you interested, you can able to enroll. Then what is the difference between data analyst and Power BI? So a data analyst is going to doing the data analysis by using Power BI only. In the data analyst course, we are going to cover in the data analyst course, we are going to cover SQL, Python, and we are going to cover Azure Cloud, data storages, and Power BI. If you want to take alone Power BI course, yes, you can take it. Alone Power BI course will take 40 hours duration. And 20 more hours we are going to conduct for SQL, Python, Azure Cloud over here. Why we need to learn this SQL, Python, Azure Cloud? Many of the students, what the mistake they are doing is they are just learning only Power BI course. With this Power BI course, are they in a position when they are going to interview, they're getting the job? Definitely, very less probability to filter your resume. Very less probability to filter your resume. So what I am thinking over here, your resume should be having with SQL, little bit of Python, little bit of Azure Cloud as well as a Power BI developer. Why we need to learn SQL, Python, Azure Cloud when I'm going to learn Power BI. If you see over here, let's for example, I have a supermarket. I have a supermarket. I'm running one supermarket in USA, another supermarket in India. In every supermarket, you can see there are some billing counters over here. This is billing counter 1, this is billing counter 2. In India also we have a billing counter 1. In India we have another billing counter. So now, as a data analyst, I want to design some reports to the customer, to the supermarket owner. In a supermarket, what will happen? A customer will goes to supermarket, he will buy a product and pay the bill in the billing counter. The moment when he is paying the bill, there should be some transaction in the backend. So the transaction data will come and store in the backend database systems. Similarly, in every supermarket, the transactions data will come and save in the backend database over here. So the CEO of this supermarket, let's take it a Walmart. He is expecting some reports from last 10 years. From last 10 years, how the sales performance. Top 10 products which are having top sales. And last year versus current year sales information, I want to design some reports over here. To design these reports, where is your data? My data is in a different servers. Now, a data engineer, what he will do, a data engineer is going to extracting of this complete data from this server, and he will store that data into one place. So where he is going to save this data? The data might be saved in different database systems available. He can save this data in a SQL server in a local computer. He can save this data in a Snowflake database. He can save this data in a Azure cloud environment. He can save this data in a Excel or a text file. The data might be in a website. The data might be in any location. As a data analyst, you have to connecting to that data source system from your Power BI reporting tool. From your Power BI reporting tool, you need to connecting to either SQL server or a Snowflake or Azure cloud or a Excel or a text file or a website. You need to connecting to any data source as a data analyst by using a Power BI reporting tool. You need to design the reports and dashboards. While you are connecting to your data source systems and while you are going to bring the data, definitely you should aware of two languages over here. What are those two languages? Is one is about the SQL language, another one is about the Python language. The reason because when you are going to interacting with your data source systems, you can use either SQL or Python as well. Do we really think required a Power BI developer needs to write SQL Python? Not mandatory. But in the heavy competition world, if you have this SQL and Python and your data is in a Azure cloud also or AWS cloud also, most of the current scenarios data is stored in a cloud environments. So you should aware of this when you are comparing to the competitors. Your knowledge and your resume should show more information. If you're just like a Power BI developer, if some other persons are keeping SQL, Python, and different data sources, what they are using in their projects, definitely their resume might be filtered. That is the reason I'm requesting all of you. You need to learn. You need to learn this data analyst complete course instead of learning Power BI only 40 hours duration of the course. Learn this data analyst course completely with 2 months of the course in the program 1 and program 2. If you want to learn only program 1, yes, you can learn. But when you are going to apply for a job, only program 1, are you going to attend the interviews with the experienced guy? For as a fresher, yes, this is fair enough. But when you are going to apply for a 4 years of experience profile 2 to 4 years of experience profile, I don't think you are immediately able to crack your interviews. I don't think you are going to attend your work in a real time. So that is the reason better you can attend the program 2 also parallelly. Within 2 to 3 months, the program 1 and program 2 will be completed. You will be ready for the job. If you have already experience on this SQL, Python, some cloud concept, then you can opt only for the Power BI program 1 and program 2. Or if you want to learn complete data analyst course for the program 1 and program 2, only 25,000 we are offering. If you need only data analyst training along with SQL, Python, Azure Cloud, Power BI, it's a 18,000 of the cost. Or if you need only Power BI training, just take it 13,000. Choice is yours. The classes we are going to start from the Monday onwards. I hope all of you has filled your form. Then you will receive a call from our executive as well. After completion of this training, if you want to do any kind of certification, PL 300 is there. So that also we are going to help you to crack your certification exam as well. We are helping until you are getting the job in all the aspects over here. Okay, so I can understand many students psychology when they are going to their requirement. They are like joining a training institution with less fees. For example, they are going to join with the Power BI. Yes, if you want, I can provide you only Power BI training. Just check with any training institution, are they providing this program to or not? In the sprint wise, are they giving tasks, and are they going to review on Saturdays, Sundays for a time for you? No. No institution is providing this kind of things, because with a less price you are completing the program one, but you don't know how to get the job. That is the reason out of 100 only 20% of the people getting the jobs. What might be the reason only 20% of the people getting the job? The reason because they are already working professionals. Out of 100 only 20 people why they are getting the jobs is they are already IT. They have some chances to get the job only program one. But if you belongs to some career gap, if you are belongs to a non-IT employee, I will recommend to learn the program 1 and program 2 parallelly within 2 to 3 months. Program 1 is on weekdays, Monday to Friday. Program 2 is on Saturdays, Sundays. Clear? Every day once the class complete, recording videos also we are going to share it over here. So with this successful program 1 and program 2, our students they are getting placed. It's my experience with from last 7 to 8 years why the people after completion of the course also they are not getting the job. The reason because they are just learning program 1. The moment when you are focusing on the program 2 also, then you will get the job. Okay, so if anybody like wants to, so in comparing to other institution, what we are offering is we have a dedicated mobile app to communicate with the trainer. After the session also you can able to interact with the trainer, and daily the class recording automatically will saved on our mobile app. You can join our live sessions also from the mobile app over here. So if you guys wants to download our mobile app over here, so simply you can I'm going to share this link as well. So I'm going to share this link for you, so you can simply click on that link. You can download our mobile app as well. So this data analysis course, there is a freshers, there is a experienced. So you belongs to which category? Fresher means 2023-24 passed out. If your education passed out is before 2022 or 22, then you are a experienced. You need to learn a course related to the experienced one only. That level you need to learn. That is the reason I'm suggesting program 1 and program 2 over here. Okay, so if you need a clear course content, our team will help you. After this session, everyone is going to speak with you. And if anybody wants to speak with me, then I'm going to available in our Hyderabad institution. Then you can come directly speak with me. Or if anybody out of Hyderabad, I'm going to share one number. So you can call to this number to speak with me. 7989781302. So you can call to that number and you can discuss with me about your profile as well. Guys, I'm saying one more time. I don't say 100% I will give you the job. I can say 100% I will make you ready for the job. Okay? So if anybody having career gap and if you want to discuss personally, there is a number in the chat I pinged. You guys can call to that number after 1 hour. Then I will speak with you. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can ask now. Now we can unmute and you can speak. Any questions? Bhupal, Suresh, Sukumar, Karun, Vinay, Shivani, Arun, Samir, Vijay, Vikas. And one more thing I can say proudly. In fact, I am the first trainer in India for Power BI. I am the first trainer in India for Power BI. I was uploaded 40 recording videos on Power BI in 2016 ending. No one knows about Power BI at that time. The Power BI video in YouTube, the first video is mine only. You can see the uploaded date. You can go to our YouTube channel. In 2016 ending or 2017 year, I have uploaded 40 videos at the time. This is my channel actually. Yeah, 61 videos I have uploaded. Let me see when I have uploaded these videos. This is my playlist. Videos. Yeah, you can see in 2017. In 2017 year July, I did see that time only I have uh, made these videos. You never find any video earlier to this one on Power BI because that time when I was working on the Power BI projects in 2017, I don't see any videos in YouTube. Then I made many videos. See, 6 years back. When you are going to join any training institution for the data analyst on Power BI, ask the trainer from how long you are teaching the Power BI, from how long you are working on Power BI. Yes, he can tell I have 10 years of experience. Ask the evidence. Okay, any trainer definitely, at least he will upload one video in YouTube. If anybody teaching this Power BI or working on Power BI at least more than 3 years, you can join over there. 6 years back, I have uploaded these videos. 6 years back. See, okay. Any questions from anyone?
Hello, hi sir. My name is Arun.
Hi, Arun.
Actually, I am working at administration since 5 years.
Okay.
My graduation completed around at 2015. But
Hmm.
I'm going to. I'm I have to do my Power BI course only, not a data analysis.